amazing video that I'm going to be making today. And in today's video, you guys can see from the thumbnail and title, I've got a brand new door to put on Kuromi, so let's head into that. So I don't think I've actually explained very well what actually happened. Yeah, she's got, this is like 2 days after the body shop door decided to just, yeah, we had things happen. We're getting it fixed now. Finally, I can have this car looking clean and super nice. As if we go to the passenger side, as you can see, just clean, smooth looking. And we're just going to be prettying up the car. Obviously, we are going to start off by, we got to take off the actual door on the car because we got to take like the window regulator and a couple of extra things out just so that the door actually works on the other one. I'm not going to be taking any other stuff. The door was stripped when we bought it, but we got it painted, and we're going to start off by installing it. And we've got the wiring harness out of the door now. All the connectors and everything that we need is all undone and out of the door. It will slide out obviously through the grommet when we take the door off. Next step is going to be taking 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts off. So let's do that. As you guys can see, I've got the door off. Obviously, we will be changing these hinges because they did bend a little bit from the small accident that had happened. But we'll be changing those hinges off the new door. But just this thing without a door looks kind of funny. I've seen people put like bash bars and stuff in between here. I don't think I could do it personally, but I mean, it's just comical to see this thing without a door. Obviously, there's the wiring harness from inside the door. Little grommet, wiring harness, and everything. So we're going to show you guys the difference between the old door and the new door now. We've got both of the doors out front right now. As you can see, the brand new door right here. Obviously, we're going to take the door handle and the mirror off and mount it into here because I still want to keep those. But as you can see, the new door looks absolutely stunning. And then obviously the old door, as you can see, it's just, ooh, it had a rough time is all I gotta say, that's for sure. But seeing both these two next to each other shows the huge difference that this is going to make. So I already took the new hinges off of the new door, and I'm going to put those on off camera real quickly since they're really simple and easy to do. But then we're going to be carrying the new door over, and we're gonna be mounting that up. I have to wait a little bit till my dad gets here because I'm gonna need 2 people since it's brand new door. I don't want to wreck it or anything. So my first step is going to be to do that off camera real fast. So I've got the new hinges in the car. As you can see, they look 10 times better. Number 1, I got the old pin out that was broken in there. So all of that's ready to go. Now we just got to head over to the door. So I went ahead off camera. Me and my dad bolted up the new door onto the car. It was a little bit difficult. I did it quickly off camera just so that it was a lot more simple. But as you can see, the new door is on. Obviously, I still need to put the pin in there, which is fine. But if I take the door, I can go just like this. As you can see, it opens. Nothing rubs or anything, but then I can, everything closes. Wow. That looks so much better. Obviously, from the little accident, it did pull the fender out a little bit, but if you stand from a distance, you can barely notice it, which is perfect. But just seeing this car clean again looks so nice. So we're going to work on the door handle and the mirror next. y'all can see, we've got the new door on. It looks so clean and so nice. So that'll be all for today's video, guys. We got the new door on Kuromi. She looks 10 times better now. I'm so happy with it. So I hope you guys can like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces!